Hi viewers, today's a new day. It's kind of cold. And today we're going up to the waterfall. See what time is. That's the time. Okay, I'm dressed and we're going for a little hike up to the waterfall.
Hello, my name is Oakley Dokley.
No.
Hello, guys.
It's Mummy. Mummy.
Hello, my name is Shina, and I am a bluey. Woof, 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 woof.
Mum.
Hello, my name is Millie.
Mummy, how long are we
What are you filming? My feet or my knees?
Okay.
On my nostrils.
Mom, how no, it's good. How long until are we staying another night?
No.
Okay. That's all I wanted to know. I want to show you how I gallop on my pretend horse. Okay, I'll see you when my hot chocolate is made. Fire's going in the little gas cooker. Okay, so I'm having breakfast with this little thing. I have no clue what it is, and I've had these before. And a hot chocolate. I don't want to spill any. Yeah, but there's hot chocolate in there.
He's not on his horse anymore. He's been galloping all morning around here. His imaginary horse. This is Papa having his
256,000 litre
cups of coffee. Oh, beautiful, glorious morning. The sun is rising up and we will go to the waterfall, but first George will make us a demonstration of me and me horse.
I know.
Uh-oh, this is what I feared.
The horse is falling over.
Ah, never mind the horse falling over. Dirty clothes.
Yes, that's right.
Couldn't help falling, eh? This is Murray River. Just a quick footage before we go have some breakfast, and apparently there's some swimming holes here, so I'll go for a swim, breakfast, and then we walk to the waterfalls. Very pretty. A few rapids here and there. Nice. Look at this perfect mirror surface. You can see this reflection of this huge boulder. That's it, yeah, from gold panning straight to the tadpoles.
Dream about the gold panning, but you won't like it.
And in the meantime, you just catch your tadpoles.
Catching baby frogs. Baby frogs.
Dreaming about being a farmer. Oh, here you go. Look, he's gonna find his first nugget.
Are you holding your mouth right? Let's see what you got.
See what I've got.
You might have some tadpoles. A few frogs' eggs. Anything that big is
Some tin. Look at that. I'm gonna go when it's nice, peace and quiet and no one's gonna splash me. So I'll try to go here. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 hours later. 1035, 1036. Shouldn't have done that. Floating, floating, floating. 1, 2, 3. So here we are in the sun. And it's not that slippery, it's all sandy. It's like a proper little beach. Here's my darling swimming. Woo! Chasing butterflies, tadpoles.
Okay, now we're going to show you really close to the falls. No swimming, that's a pretty obvious answer.
Can you see it, Papa?
Just there, resting on the rock, just around.
Look, this is a game trail camera.
The camera GoPro over the edge. Holy.
There is another little waterfall just there.
Oh yeah,
look how deep it is.
Yeah, I do not want to swim in there.
Wow.
Like, look at that top cascade. That is like a boat is up there. It goes flat out. I'll show you something cool little look at. Whoa, no way! There's this cool little creek, so I'll show you. So there's this epic waterfall.
You see the two
And it
paths.
comes flying down.
The water's like
It goes
two paths
down
and then it just joins into one.
Then we have this little thing and comes down to that beautiful creek and heads off into the valley. So this tree here, the root here, they cut that same tree right here. That looks, if you live in Australia, you've probably seen these quite a lot.
This nice curve.
Yep, and
So
they cut that into a boomerang shape.
Well,
Just
it
like
is
that one.
already a boomerang shape.
Well, yeah, but
The
they have to
curve is
cut it
already
out. They have
here.
to cut it out.
That's right, then there's George and his horse. Like there's the cassowary there, he's gonna cross the road. So he's just running. Look, he's gonna go into the bush. Look at this, he's running away. Poof, 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 poof. Gone. There you go, gone.
Okay, so we're going up to Carville. And Mum, where are we camping for the night?
Right here, at the back.
No, seriously, like, where's our campsite?
I don't know, probably at Cardwell's Park.
Alright.
We'll see.
Sounds
Right
good.
here.
Okay, chill out, buddy.
Marked.
Okay, so here's more. No, there's lots of film. We're here in Queensland, if you're wondering. Here we go, here we go. Geez, that thing's noisy. The sugar cane looks like when it's cut. It grows back because they leave the root. How much longer, Mum?
10 minutes.
Okay, 10 minutes it is.
Yeah, baby.
Edgy Creek Falls. That was definitely worth it. It's not disappointing. Look, Papa's gonna go in. Oh, you don't want to see. There are people coming.
Oh dear.
You don't have any swimmers, do you?
No, I don't.
Do you have your underwear?
I got my underwear.
Well, go in your underwear.
And I put them in.
You gonna go? No. Oh, hope not. I'm not gonna go in here. It's actually quite nice. Are you filming?
Yeah.
It go beep, beep, beep. Would it go blah, 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 beep?
Oh, nice.
Yep, it is filming, Mum. we're gonna light a fire. So how do we do this? First of all, get our tinder, get one bit of wood, we wave him around in the air, then the ground cut. Then we've got a fire. Good job, pups. That's how you make a fire the magical way. Okay, so I gotta say goodbye for now, and we're gonna camp here in the pine trees amongst the pine tree field. And yeah, see you later. I don't want to say bye-bye because I might see you tomorrow, maybe.
Well, for sure we'll see you in the next episode.
Yeah. Or maybe tomorrow, we don't